How to fix Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your Steam library, right click on the game and open up the properties. Now in the launch options you want to add -dx11, then go back to installed files and click on verify the game files. And once this is completed you can close Steam. Next you want to open up your browser and navigate to this link which is in the description below. And from the redistributable table, you will need to get the 86 installer and the 64, both of them. Now, when you finish installing these, this will require a computer restart. So right after you restart your computer, one thing you'll need to do is check if you have the latest GPU update. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you can use the NVIDIA app. Otherwise, you can use the AMD software. Now, this GPU update will bring support for the game, as you can see here, for the Assassin's Creed Black Flag. You want to basically download and install that GPU driver update. And once you've installed it, all you need to do is right click on Steam and run it as admin. And then just launch the game from the library. And that should solve the crash problem. Now, if you have any crash as soon as you start the game, it's usually due to overlays. So you want to start by disabling overlays. First, you want to go to Steam and then Settings. Now scroll down and click on In-Game and turn off the overlay from here, the first one. Next, what you need to do is turn off the overlay from the NVIDIA or the AMD app by turning off the overlay from the settings. Now you can also turn off the Discord overlay. You want to go to User Settings, scroll down, click on Game Overlay and turn it off from here. And the last thing you'll need to do is if you have MSI Afterburner or Riva Static Tuner, those also come with overlays, so you want to make sure to either disable the overlay or uninstall the app. And the last thing is basically relaunch the game again from the Steam library, and that should solve the startup crash as well. Thanks for watching and subscribe.